Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Hey y'all, do you remember whenever you first start making YouTube videos? Not when you just first start, you made the YouTube account and just start watching everybody else, but actually when you first start making videos. A little bit nervous, anxious. If you say you wasn't, then I'm pretty sure you'll be lying. And if you're not lying, then sorry. Not really sorry. Pretty sure you'd be lying. Well, I know that I was a little nervous. When I first started, it was because of my daughter. My daughter wanted to make some YouTube videos, and then she sort of just snuck me right in there. She tricked me right into it, which I'm glad she did because I enjoy doing it. Well, this is a, what do I want to call it? No, not what you want to call it. What do I want to call it? Maybe helping people grow, help channels grow. Well, I got 3 mail calls here, plus I got a couple of shout outs to do. So I hope you guys want to stick around and see what I was sent and help out a few new channels. Well, first of all, the items that I was sent I've had for over a week now and just haven't got around to doing videos. First one is from Fireside Coffee. Look at that. He sent me a booby trap manual. Top secret booby traps. Now this doesn't actually go into detail of telling you how to make booby traps, but it sure the hell gives you a great idea. I thought it was told you how to do it. But it's sort of like a I don't know what the hell it would sort of be like. I don't know the word to use. It's kind of like a book that tells you where to go in other books to find directions. But that's pretty freaking cool. Fireside Coffee, and he sent me a sticker, which is right here. Fireside Coffee. It's one hell of a book. I can't wait to get to try this out. First it was raining, and now it's just cold as a witch's titty. Secondly, it's a package from Carolyn to be free. Another YouTuber. Here's a little letter. It says, these are candles, dripless wax. They stay lit in the wind. I bought all they had, paid 25 cents a box. Feel like they'd belong in a bug out bag. Signed, Carolyn to be free. And this is what they are. I've already opened these. I don't remember how the hell I got them open though. There they are. I already opened these and checked them out. I don't really, never used them before. They look like little nunchucks, don't they? For dark matter. Little leprechaun nunchucks. But that's pretty cool. I can't wait to try them out. Me and the wife are going to go do some camping tonight. But she sent me a whole little box of them. That's what it says on there. Made in Hong Kong. Hong Kong Phooey. Me and the wife are going to go do some camping tonight. It's supposed to be 13 degrees. We're going to the river so I can do some fishing. Catfishing. I had to come down and get my little oh-hoo-hoo stove. I got another old camp stove. I got these wood pellets like I showed in that live stream video. Instead of having a fire, a bonfire, not a bonfire, but like a campfire, I'm just going to fire up both of these stoves with some of these wood pellets. Now the third thing that was sent to me is my buddy RedNeck Renagade. He sent me some wood. He knows the quickest way to my heart is his wood. Lord, I can't help myself, y'all. That's some. I don't know if that means yellow wood or whatever wood. That's some more of it. That's pretty good stuff. Quilted maple. Now look at the design in that, y'all. Look at the design in that. You can't really tell too good. Once I put some oil on there, I'm gonna make some knife handles out of these. Alaska yellow cedar. Some more of the quilted maple. And Alaska yellow cedar. Don't smell too much like cedar, maybe because it's so dried out. Apple, some apple wood. I may just not make nothing out of this and use it to smoke stuff with. This, I thought there's another piece. I maybe already used it. Oh wait, here it is. Now this said, I already used some of this. I cut some up. I was going to try to make a handle out of it, but I couldn't do it with the knives that I had already. But this is called Beechwood. And it says, it wrote on it, from the beach. Beechwood from the beach. Ain't that some shit? Damn it, Redneck. You're fucking with my head now. This is fat wood. You can't beat the fat wood that old Redneck sends. You just cannot beat that stuff at all, and I'm going to give this a good try out tonight. Oh, that smells good. But that's the 3 mail calls that I have. Damn, 7 minutes already. All right, that's the 3 mail calls that I have. And I got 2 other channels that I want to give shout outs to. I'm going to leave the links to all these channels. Carolyn, Fireside Coffee, RedNeck Renagade, Kirk aBEER. Don't call him aBEER. Even though it might be his actual name, aBEER, but he hates it. Call him aBEER. Like the kind you drink, aBEER. If you go over to his live streams, he's going to be doing live streams. He's having a giveaway too. aBEER. Kirk aBEER. Light beer, because he's watching his carbs and stuff. Okay, well anyway, Kirk aBEER, aBEER. I like saying aBEER better, so I'm going to keep saying aBEER. Kirk aBEER, and my little mouse is back, little bastard. Kirk aBEER, and Kevin Outdoors, which is Survival Junkie. It's just another name. I'm thinking, somebody told me he got locked out of his Survival Junkie channel, so he's fired up a new channel. Kevin Outdoors, my buddy Kevin Outdoors, the one that sends me all the wood that I've been using for my knife handles. Great guy, good friend. So go check him out too. I'm gonna put links to all of these channels. That's 5 channels so far. And y'all, if you're new to YouTube and you're wanting a shout out, I don't know how good it's going to do coming from me, but I would damn sure give you a shout out. So just hit me up if you need one. I try to do one once a week or every 2 weeks, something like that. Just to help a brother out or a sister. Brother or sister. It doesn't matter to me. Oh, wait, here's another thing Redneck sent me. Cool sticker. If you got stickers, send me a damn sticker, y'all. My freaking sticker board. See, I put that damn sticker board up because I kind of thought that it'd be full by now, but damn, it looks like it's got the mange. Fuckers, stickers. It's a bear wall. It's a bear wall. Anyway, I'm getting off here, y'all. I gotta get ready to go do some camping. Maybe have a fish or 2 to show. If I catch a fish, I'll be frying her up and eating it right on the spot. Because I like fish. I like catfish. Catfish are bottom feeders, and I know that, but that's one of my favorite fish. Bottom feeding motherfuckers. Bottom feeding fish. Catfish. Catfish and trout are two of my favorite fish. I haven't tried too many more that much to get the taste for it. So catfish and trout are my two favorite. You don't like that, then fuck you. Fuck you. I'm out of here, y'all. I'll catch you later.